it's me again. I'm Lena and I'm from the Healthcare Landscape group. In this video, I'll be talking about my first DE, which is about my progress week 116. Now in this video, I'll be talking about my usual 5 parts. So let's get started on my first part. The first part is about what have I learned. Well, last week I learned on the healthcare map. Specifically, I learned on the levels of care, for example, tertiary, primary, secondary, and quaternary care. And then after that, I learned about the hierarchy of healthcare, for example, who is at the top, and then below that, and then the providers are on the front line. So those are the things that I have learned. The next part are my intentions. So firstly, I need to send in the feedback. My second intention is I need to add an activity in my main video for it to be more interesting and make it more engaging to the viewers overall. The improvements that I have made over the past week, well, I feel like I've made a pretty good video. My mind map was creative and my writing was adequate as well. I've made a simple and creative presentation in the meeting, and also I have sent in the works on time. So that is one improvement that I have made. Now, for the works for next week, we will be talking about the DE1, which is the progress week 116. The DE2 and the main work is what happens in the doctor's visit. So, what happens in a doctor's visit? We'll talk about how to identify symptoms, how to ask questions, how to look at the patient and assess them, and also how to diagnose that patient. Now, what did we talk about in the meeting? Well, we talked about, firstly, our self-reflection. Where we just talked about and discussed over our self-reflections, like our intentions and improvements. And then afterwards, we moved on to the main work. And that main work, in that section, Kennedy and I both summarized on our topics of the main work, and then we each took turns giving presentations and commenting on each other's performance after that. So those are all the things I have to say for my progress week 116. I hope that you learned something new or just review some things that you have learned. Thank you again for listening to my video, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!